In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your project settings in Smartsheet from your main project sheet. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account, then open the project sheet you want to work with. You can do this from your Smartsheet home screen or your recent items list. Once the sheet loads, you should be looking at the standard grid view with all your rows and columns visible. Near the top of the screen, look for the main toolbar area where you see options like views, filters, and other sheet controls. In this area, there will be an icon or button highlighted in the guide you're following. Go ahead and click that highlighted control. This is usually what opens up more options related to the sheet itself rather than the individual rows. After you click the first highlight, another part of the toolbar becomes active. Again, follow the highlight shown in your guide and click on it. These first couple of clicks are essentially drilling down from the main sheet view into the more detailed configuration options. Next, you'll see an option labeled Settings appear, typically in a menu or a panel near the top or right side of the screen. Click on Settings. This is where you can manage key behaviors for the sheet, such as how information is displayed, how certain features behave, and what's enabled or disabled for collaborators. Within the Settings area, you'll see several fields, toggles, or drop-down menus, and the guide highlights each one in turn. Follow along by clicking on each highlighted element. These might be options to adjust how your project timeline appears, how dependencies or notifications are handled, or other project-specific preferences. Each highlighted click in the guide represents a setting you need to review or confirm. Take your time with these. If you hover over labels or icons, Smartsheet often shows small tooltips that explain what each option does. That can be helpful if you're unsure about changing a particular setting. As you move through each highlighted item, make sure the values match what your process or team requires. Once you've gone through all the highlighted options and you're satisfied with the choices, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or lower right of the settings panel. Click Save to apply all of your changes to the sheet. Smartsheet will update the project with your new configuration, and you'll be returned to the main sheet view, now using the settings you just adjusted.